Hi friends! Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading everyone! Hey everyone, this is chapter 19. Let's start reading. I did not mean to say that. I just wanted to talk about the pronunciation rather than her identity. We, paparinig ka lang talaga eh. Angry. You're a bud-tongued shorty bay. You are just 2 centimeters taller than me, but you should not hit me in the head, Starro. I am your elder brother. Away na naman sila. You should soon buy Jane her favorite strawberry cake and apologize to her. Are you clear? Yes, and I'll make one for her later. The letters U and family contain Y. That means love. You are one of our family members. Jane and we love each other. Buti siya yung iniisip niya, si Jane hindi. What's more, I am the youngest, the symbol of the semi-vowel Y, according to age and alphabetical order. Hand on a hip. I am a distinctive from my brothers and elder sister. Am I good? You're a thoughtful little girl. That clap makes your nose ugly. What are you talking about? But what? I wonder if Jane can understand this. Hindi niya naintindihan. Nagsa-self-pity yan, adopted lang siya. Hey, what's on your mind? Speak. Regain attention. What does the message left by Starro mean? Anxious. He has forgotten it. His wisdom hasn't been able to grow along with his height. Tell me now. According to my good memory, these special characters mean the woodman and the serpent. Be careful of that dog. The woodman and the serpent? Be careful of that dog? What does she want to say? Manure of Suong Group. So? Oh, I was so closely watched by Gisan on the way home that I had no chance to kick assholes and get more points. Frustrated. So wala siyang points ngayon. How can I pass the placement test and be admitted into top class 1 if without the skills brought by the amazing system? Do the test paper. Don't bite the pen, it's unhealthy. Inis na yan eh. Uy, Professor Yorn. From now on, I will teach you the lessons you are not good at. Oh, the mail will hinder my study. Let us be together just like lovebirds. But we will go separate ways when bad things come. Good advice should be taken, but how? I played the tune tenderly, and the Emperor would hold morning court no more. If you refuse to listen to the life wisdom of the elderly, I will be happy for many years. Enjoy your pleasure after we wake up, and we will have sons and daughters. Too angry to bear. Ewan ko ba nung sa pinagsasabi nila. Siguro yun yung Google Translation. Kung intindihan. Read through this book and copy all the poems for 50 times. 50 times. I grew up abroad, so I'm bad at the ancient Chinese poems. He is a captivating man when he is serious. If he is not reading manga stories on love with bosses, why are you reading those manga stories? To balance work and life. Are you hungry? I'll order midnight snacks for you. For us. Ako din gusto ko ng midnight snack. 30 minutes later, midnight snack yarn? Ang dami ha. Isang entry na yan eh. O diba, elegant, decent. Di mo, sino mag-iisip na anak ng ano yan? Chauffeur. Don't you enjoy the delicious food, Mr. Song? Untouched, unfull. You have eaten nothing, but you are much more delicate than the food. I'm full too. Conscious yawn. He is seducing me. Alright, let's check the next chapter. Hey everyone, this is chapter 20. Let's continue reading. Profile 1, Tao Zi Xiaoxi, ano yan? Starly, before birth, before rebirth, after rebirth. Pareho naman maganda, pero yung mata nila parang the same, ano? Information, before rebirth. Starly, height 170 centimeter, 19, female, the most cherished youngest girl of the super wealthy Li family, noble, elegant, kind-hearted, cheerful. Information after rebirth. Wally, nickname Miss Goofy, 165 centimeter, mas maliit siya ngayon. Age 20, gender female. Identity, she is adopted daughter of Mr. Juntin Lee, the chauffeur of Mr. Wally, the CEO of the Lee Group, and she is a freshman in the Yashin University. Personality, she is timid, foolish, girl before Starly gets a rebirth in her body. After that, she becomes determined, wise, and suspicious. Good at math and programming, bad at any subject needs mechanical memorization. Goal, avenge the suffering of herself and her family members by means of the system of strengthening yourself through kicking assholes. Gisan Song, before transfiguration, after transfiguration. Nagiging bata siya eh. Information. Gisan Song, 188 centimeter, 24, male, the big boss of the giant Soong group and also the 20th successor of the Soong family. Personality, has a rationalist and a perfectionist. He's a man of composure and self-restraint and keeps himself far away from money. Rumors say he won't have his heart hard even when he is facing a sultry woman. Strong points, high IQ, and a programming geek. Weak points, as a romantically inexperienced man, he will turn into a kid from 0 o'clock at midnight to 6 next morning if his heart rate reach 100. Goal, have a baby with the heroine to break the curse. Ito siya pagbata siya. Bao, 90 centimeter, age 4, male. He is taken as a nephew of Kisan Song and studies in the intermediate class of the kindergarten. So, pag lumalabas yan siya, pinapakilala nilang pamangkin. I see. Green naman yung status. After the delicious meal, let's do the important thing. What's that? What's the important thing are you talking about? What does he want to do? Ano ba yan? Am I right? Bakit wala namang story ah. Bakit nagtatanong siya ng question niya? Oh my gosh, ito na naman. Blanco na naman. He wants to have with me. He's eager for me. The website shows Yuan Lin has been searching for Starly, which means he hasn't got my whereabouts. Released 3 months ago, mission search for a girl, no deadline, $2 million underway. That is to say, my previous body was vanished due to special power. I can't explain such a supernatural thing, but I may get back my former body. But I am sure about one thing. I find no trace of Goofies. Oo nga, pag nabalik siya dun sa totoong body niya, paano si Miss Goofy? When my mind is in her body, which means she had died. Ay, namatay siya sa sleeping pills overdose. Might be. Wawa naman si Miss Goofy. Before I could get a rebirth in her body. In spite of that, it is an indecent thing to sleep with a man in another girl's body. I must, however, save my family members from the wrong hands. Sinister manipulation. I have to use all the available things. So, papayag na siya. Kasi gagamitin niya yung hindi naman niya body yan. Body naman ni Miss Goofy. I'm so sorry, Miss Goofy. Do you want to do it with me here? Or in the bedroom? I have to do this for the sake of my family. Feeling ko magiging bata na naman siya. He's going to change into a kid again. Okay, I think he's angry. What's wrong with him? I think we should have a talk first. You have been using the body of another girl, Miss Rebirth. Huh? Alam niya? Has he known all this? Quiet. I can understand what you're talking about, Mr. Song. One can use a simulated voice and appearance, but the habitual behavior can't be changed within a short period of time. Your table manners show that you are a well-educated, elegant daughter of a noble family. You can't be the daughter of the chauffeur. Tama. You know that I was a professional trained maid in the Lee family. I'm too careless to realize the trap under the cover of the meal. You may argue with me. Let me tell you that the Soong family has been overwhelming targeted in political and commercial circles. Hidden cameras have been installed in many corners of this house for safety. There was one behind your back when you were busy with typing on the computer last time. Ah, kasi nakita yung pinaghahanap niya. Your hacking into the AA system has been recorded. I have had all your information investigated, including facial recognition, DNA, and fingerprints. She's the adopted daughter of Juntin Lee. Okay, yun yung previous. Di ko nababasahin na. You are Miss Goofy in appearance, but your behavior is totally different from hers. She is timid and foolish, but you are smart and strong. So I wonder if the body has had a new spirit secretly through some magical power. I focus on the Lee family and search for all kinds of clues. According to the time and chance of your showing up, and your pressing need for the information of the Lee family last night, I have a bold deduction that you are Miss Starly who is standing in front of me. Ay, napunto niya. Ang galing, ang talino. Palakpakan. Galing. Galing naman mag-conclude nitong taong to. Sa bagay, he's a geek. Is that right? Anyway, that's the end of this chapter. Ang galing niya, ha? Amazing. So, let's see what will happen in the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.